Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to quickly create a project timeplan with a Gantt chart in Smartsheet. And let me tell you, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to transform a simple data list into a clear, interactive Gantt chart that makes planning and tracking your project timelines so much easier. Let's get started. Now on my screen you can see I already have some example data loaded in for our time plan. Don't worry about these exact details, it's just dummy data for this demo, but it'll help us walk through the process. Right now we're in grid view. This is where Smartsheet is showing our data as a standard spreadsheet, just rows and columns. This is great for entering and organizing your information, but it's not the most visual way to track project schedules, which is where the Gantt chart comes in. To switch over, look up to the top navigation menu. You'll see a button labeled Grid. Click on that. This brings up a drop-down menu. In there, select Gantt. Once you click Gantt, you'll notice your spreadsheet transforms. On the left, you still have your familiar rows and columns, but now on the right, there's a visual timeline showing all your tasks spread out across dates. That's your Gantt chart. It's honestly the secret sauce of project planning because it gives you a bird's eye view of what needs to happen when. Next, let's make your tasks a bit more organized. If you have several items that fall under one phase or milestone, you can group them, which is called indenting. Below your first column, select the rows that you want to be indented under a main task, and then click the Indent button. It's kind of like making an outline in Word, where you have main headings and subpoints right below. This helps you visually represent task hierarchies, like grouping all the to-dos under Project Kickoff or Design Phase. You'll see your indented tasks shift a little to the right, showing they're part of a bigger category. Now here's something super important, managing dependencies, which is basically setting up which tasks need to be done before others can start. To do this, right-click on the header of your first column. This is usually where your task names are. From the menu that pops up, choose Edit Project Settings. A new window will appear. Look for the section labeled Dependencies. There's a checkbox there. Make sure that's checked. Once you enable dependencies, Smartsheet will automatically add two new columns to your data: predecessors and duration. The predecessors column lets you specify which tasks must happen first, so for example, you can make sure the planning step finishes before execution starts. The duration column tells Smartsheet how long each task should take. This is really the power of a Gantt chart in action. As you adjust start dates, durations, or dependencies, you'll see the bars on your timeline move and update in real time, so your project plan always stays up to date. From here, you can continue to customize your tasks, dates, and dependencies. Just plug in your real project details, adjust durations, and keep an eye on how the Gantt chart visually shifts to match your plan. Don't worry if you need to experiment or adjust things as you go. Smartsheet updates instantly, so you can always roll back or fine-tune your schedule. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've turned basic spreadsheet data into a dynamic, easy-to-understand Gantt chart for your project. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, drop any questions you have in the comments, and of course, subscribe for more project management tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy planning.